In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bases in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool for organizing and managing data, and linking bases can really streamline your workflow. So let's dive into the process step by step and make sure you have all the information you need to link your bases efficiently. To start, you'll want to head over to your Airtable account and open the base that you want to work with. This is your starting point, so make sure you have access to the base with the information that you want to link to another one. Once you're in the base, the next step is to find the Share and Sync option. This can usually be found at the top of your Airtable interface. When you click on it, it opens up a menu with various options related to sharing and syncing data. Now, from the menu, you'll want to select Sync Data to another base. This option is crucial because it allows you to connect the data from your current base to another base in Airtable. Clicking on this will start the process of linking your bases together. It's important to note that syncing data means that any updates in your original base will automatically be reflected in the linked base, which is incredibly useful for maintaining consistency across different projects or teams. Once you've selected Sync Data to another base, you'll be prompted to allow data in the current view to be synced to other bases. This step is essentially giving permission for the data to be used in another context, so make sure that you are comfortable with the data being accessed from another base. It's a simple click, but an important one for ensuring that your data is properly linked. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your bases in Airtable. This process can drastically improve how you organize and manage your data, making it easier to keep everything up to date and accessible across different teams or departments. Remember that you can always go back and adjust the sync settings if your needs change or if you want to link additional data in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident in linking your bases in Airtable. Feel free to explore other features within Airtable that can further enhance your productivity and data management capabilities. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.